Hi there. So you're thinking about buying a home and you don't know where to start. Hi, I'm Travis Harris with HomeSmart. Purchasing a home is most likely going to be one of the largest investments that you're going to make in your life. You need an experienced professional agent to walk you through each phase to ensure your best interests are protected. I've been in the industry for over 13 years, and I've assisted hundreds of buyers over the years. Here's how we will help you. First, we will make sure that you are qualified to purchase a home. You'll know things like what types of loans you can qualify for and what the full payment will be, including the payment, interest, taxes, and insurance. Once we know you're qualified, we'll go house hunting to make sure that you're fully aware of the neighborhoods, schools, and anything else that could possibly be problematic with the area or home that could affect your value later on. Then we will help you negotiate an offer in a way that's beneficial for you and the seller. Once it's accepted, we'll open up escrow, give them your initial deposit, and start scheduling the inspections and the appraisal. We are diligent about making sure that we don't miss any contractual deadlines so that we keep your deposit safe and you won't be at risk of losing it. It's super important after the inspections to know what is customary to or not to ask from the seller. We'll be in constant communication with all of the parties in the transactions to ensure that your best interest is covered and that we can close and close on time. There are so many moving parts to the transaction that I could be here a few hours telling you. So better yet, give me a call and I will become your trusted advisor, walking you through step by step and ensuring that you make the right decisions all the way until we give you the keys to your home and even becoming lifelong friends. And don't forget, the seller pays my fees, so it doesn't cost you anything to utilize my service. But I can guarantee you it will cost you if you don't have proper representation from an experienced professional who is on your team. Give me a call today and let's see how we can get you into your new home.